Today you are going to learn how I made this beautiful slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. To be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rounded corner rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. And use this yellow point to make it more sharper. Rotate it and place it over here like this. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and increase its size like this and place it over here. Again press Ctrl D to duplicate, reduce the size, place it over here. Select this one, press Ctrl D to duplicate, reduce the size and place it over here. Now select this one, press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it over here. Then go to Insert, go to Shape, pick this oval shape, hold down the Shift key and drag a circle over here. Now press Ctrl A to select all of this, go to Shape Format, go to Shape Outline, make it no outline and press Ctrl G to group them together. By hold down the Ctrl key, you can increase the size like this and place it over here. Click on right button, go to Format Shape, go to Fill, go to Picture or Texture Fill, go to Insert, from File, let me choose this picture. Now go to Design, go to Format Background, go to Solid Fill and select this fill color and increase its transparency like this. Again go to Insert, go to Shape, pick this rounded corner rectangle shape and drag it over here and increase its roundness and rotate it, increase its size and place it over here like this. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline, go to Shape Fill, go to Eyedropper and select this fill color and increase its transparency like this. Click on right button and send it to back. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, reduce the size, place it over here. Again press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it like this. You can increase its transparency more, change it to 80%. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box right here, the city, select it, change the font, increase the font size, place it over here, select it, go to Shape Fill, go to Text Fill, go to Eyedropper and select this color. Again go to Insert, Shape, Text Box, drag it over here, add some demo text here, select it and change the font to Laura and make it italic and place it over here like this. Now let me watch the slideshow. And here you will see this is looking very beautiful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.